How to find live videos on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's tutorial video, I will simply show you the way as to how you can find live videos on Instagram. But before we get started with this tutorial, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, if you're aware, after the recent IGTV update, Instagram basically removed the feature to watch live videos of other creators. Unlike TikTok, Instagram no longer offers you the ability to watch other people's live videos. But still, I have found a working solution in today's day that will help you at least find some of the live videos on Instagram. So in order to do that, first of all, this is one of my primary devices where I want to view the live video from, and I'll just go ahead and open Instagram. You can see I'm logged into my account. Now, just in case if you do have another phone in which you want to actually log into a dummy account, so you can see on my other phone I have another account logged in, which is a dummy account. Make sure that your real account has followed this particular account on the right hand side. So once this left hand side account has followed the account on my right hand side, this is basically just a dummy account which we will use in order to help find live videos on our main account when we want to find and stream it. So what we will do is on this particular account, we will just tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and we will go to the option called live all the way to the right hand side of the screen. On your left hand side, make sure that all of your notifications are actually enabled, which means that if your do not disturb mode is turned on, I want you to simply go ahead and then turn it off. And we will just simply go ahead and stream a live video on the right hand side, and we will simply wait until we receive a notification on the left hand side, which is on our main account. So as you can see, we are currently live, and it says we're telling your followers that you have started a live video. So we will simply open up our notification menu and we will wait for the notification. So as you can see, we have successfully received the notification on our main device, which is our primary account. Now what we will do is do not click on that particular notification just yet. What you want to do is first, you want to go ahead and end this live video which is on our dummy account. So I will tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of the screen, and I'll go ahead and tap on the end now button. Once I do that, you can see live video ended, so I'll just go ahead and cancel this as well. Now what we will do is on our main primary device, now we can go ahead and simply tap on that particular notification which we received. Once you tap on that notification, you will see this kind of interface that says live video has ended. But if you look at the bottom, you'll be able to see a list of all the creators that are currently live on Instagram. So as you can see, even if we do not have the feature to watch live videos after the IGTV update, this is a simple trick that I found in order to help find live videos. In order to see all, just tap on the see all button. Keep also in mind that I have not followed any of these people. These are all some of the random people that Instagram is showing up to me. So if I open up a certain live video, and I can also go ahead and watch other people's live video. If I go to their profile page as well, you can see that I have not actually followed them because you can see the follow button. And this is a simple way as to how you can find live videos as a working solution. Hopefully this video helped you answer the question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.